Hello mga ka-trending! Welcome back to ZK Trend. Donnie nagbigay ng tangkos sa laman na birthday message kay Belle. Nagbunyi ngayon ang mga taga-suporta ng Don Bell nang sa wakas ay nag-post na nga si Donnie Pangilinan ng ilang video ni Belle at isang larawan nila ni Belle together at nagbigay nga ng tagos sa laman na birthday message sa ating birthday girl Belle Mariano. Super saya nga ng mga bablis na scenes na naging love team nga ang Don Bell ay walang palya itong si Donnie na magbigay ng mensahe sa kanyang Tinkerbell. Marami nga dito ang kinilig sa naturang mga mensahe na ito ni Donnie. Ayon nga dito sa post ni Donnie, keep embracing all that you were created to be, to even bigger dreams and all the extraordinary things waiting ahead. Happiest birthday, Belle Mariano, fly higher than ever before. Ang naturang post na ito ni Donnie ay kaagad nga pinag-uusapan at trending na nga sa social media. At ayon nga dito sa ilang komento, fly higher than ever before, Donnie's IGs. Crying because his birthday wishes for Belle this year is all about her growth and everything that she can achieve. Knowing that this is her last birthday celebrate together as a love team for now. I love you forever, my Don Bell, so genuine. Seriously though, I love how they really celebrate and promote individuality in their relationship, recognizing and embracing who they are created to be, dreaming bigger and envisioning extraordinary things for the future, and believing that you can fly higher than ever before. That's genuinely all you could hope for in a life partner. I've been trying to figure out why Donnie's birthday messages to Belle always linger with me after I get kilig. I think I finally got it. Because when you read the captions together, they don't feel like birthday wishes as much as they feel like reflection of how he truly sees her. Ayon pa dito, Donnie, masarap magmahal Pangilinan. His covenant to her is that no matter what, he will always be one of her greatest supporter. What a love. Happiest birthday, Belle Mariano. At ayon pa dito sa isa pang komento, lovers in Mount Police. Alam ko mayakapan sa dulo, madamot Donnie. Ang cute ng second video, dami ko napapansin, nakataas paan ni Belle plus para lang talaga silang normal na couple off cam. Ano ba yan Donnie, kainis ka naman. Happy birthday, baby Belly. At ayun naman dito sa isa pang komento, the last part of the video, Belle wasn't in the frame na. I'm so certain they were snuggling up next to each other and Donnie made sure to not cut that part of the video. Happy birthday, Belle Mariano. Kayo mga ka-trending, anong opinion nyo at reaction nyo tungkol dito? I-comment na. Hanggang dito na lang, maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na panonood.